In the previous time, I was discussing about the Europe. Now I am going to discuss Africa, and the very important country that lies in the African continent is Egypt. Okay, we all know Egypt. Okay, it has great significance in the history for the human civilization. The very first that we all know, the one of the seven wonders of the world is Great Pyramid. Okay, the Great Pyramid of Giza, it is situated in Giza. Okay, and it has several myths that it was created by this or that. It has means there was it, people at that time used to keep the means burials of the humans after they think that they might live in such shapes. Okay, and it has also some significance of for scientists and mathematicians because pyramid is quite amazing of at that time because they have used basic triangle and Pythagoras and golden number. Okay, that current mathematicians are searching. Okay, so for mathematicians it's also quite significant. Everyone must visit Great Pyramid. Okay, and it was built by the uh, one of the Egyptian pharaoh. Pharaoh means the king, uh, Khulu of the fourth dynasty. Okay, around 2560 BC. Okay, after his death, because he was thinking that whenever he will die, so there should be some kind of tomb. Okay, for his, so that it will be remembered by everyone, and it also be it was the common thinking that he can take rebirth and so on and so on. Okay. Now, without wasting much time, let's move on. It was it is in the means you know Egypt. Okay, Cairo. Okay, Cairo. Now, lighthouse of Alexandria. Okay, it is also in the means near to the Black Sea. Okay, Mediterranean, and this lighthouse of Alexandria means uh it was created by the Alexander. We all know. Okay, and it is also one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, not modern world, but for the ancient one because Alexander has created so many things at his time, and like the beautiful Babylonian city, Alexandria, the one of the city, also in the Egypt. Okay. So it was one of its significance of that time because at that time, if anyone can think of about anything of like lighthouse, so it is like currently a rocket or NASA. Okay, so it is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Fine. Now let's discuss a brief more. Just because Egypt is well good, but what is the main significance of Africa? See, Africa is considered as our humans starting civilization. Okay, because many things that whether we are American, Indian, means Asian, European, we all our ancestors all belong to the mainly in African. Okay, so it is the common thinking of the scientists at that time. At current time, it might change. Okay, please don't take my word so seriously. Okay, and another thing is that it has also some great geographical meaning. Okay, because it contains in this area. Okay, it contains the greatest desert. Okay, desert, means not icy desert. Two kinds of desert. This is the means windy desert. Okay, dry desert. Dry desert means it has full of means means unfertile and unused land which is covered with the sand. Okay, sand, silica, SiO2, silicon dioxide. Means I am not going on the chemistry. Okay, so the huge reservoir of sand lies in the Sahara Desert, which is in the Africa. Okay, this all part is of the Sahara Desert. Okay, so Africa is rich in sand, but it reduces its significance also in the world because it doesn't contain so many varieties as in the Asia and so many other countries, means continents. But it's good. But in the downs or south of the Africa, okay, you may find some cultivated areas or fertile lands, or we might see. I will discuss South Africa, Zimbabwe are quite rich in minerals. Okay, even South Africa is good or famous for the diamonds or mines. Okay, leave it. Let's start. So Egypt we have discussed. Next is Libya. Okay, Libya is quite means important, but it has a political instability as in the current time. Okay, Algeria, now Morocco. Okay, Morocco. Uh, it's quite nearer to Europe. Okay, you can see Gibraltar. Here is Portugal, and Gibraltar is quite means nearer to each other, and Gibraltar is in the means boundary or the means touching point of the Europe. Okay, so it is also can be also said as a part of Europe or Africa. Okay, Tunisia, Malta. Okay, and here Jordan, Lebanon, Syria. These are the part of Asia which is connecting with the Africa. Okay, and these are the part of Gibraltar, Portugal, Spain, which are connecting to the which are connecting Africa to the Europe. Okay, these are the countries. I'm trying to connect everything. Morocco, Algeria. Okay, fine. These are means you can't see so many countries in that area because this is the part of the Sahara Desert, so it's hard to find any human civilization or human inhabitants at here. Okay, Western Sahara. Okay, western part of Sahara Desert. There's the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific. Okay, all merged. Mauritania. This is Tropic of Cancer. Leave it. I am not going to mix up. Okay. Senegal, Gamba, Guinea, Guinea. That was the Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone, Liberia. Okay, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana. Okay, Ghana. Okay, it has also great means so many tribals you may find at here. Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, Mali, Nigeria. These are the underdeveloping countries. Okay, in the as per the United Nations list. Okay. Chad, Sudan. Here you may find um, many different types of people or religion. Sudan in Muslim, Christian. Okay, Antria, Djibouti, Somata, Ethiopia, Kenya. Kenya. Kenya was also in the means it always come into the news. Okay, or pictures. Okay, Uganda. Okay, again I'm coming back to the movie Black Panther. Okay, Uganda. They have taken, but in fact, Uganda has also the kingdom rule, but it is underdeveloped. Okay. Rwanda, Burundi, Democratic Republic. Okay, Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro, Malawi. That was not any country. This is the mountain. Okay, pardon me, Mount Kilimanjaro, Zambia, Mozambique, Zimbabwe. See, The country that I am going down means in the southern of the Africa is mixed up. Okay, some are underdeveloped, some are developing, and some are well developed. Okay, and they have also mixture of religion and ethnicity. Okay, and race. Some are means means Christian, Muslim, or and native Africans. Okay, Botswana, Nambia, Swaziland, Lesotho, then the South Africa. Okay, South Africa, it's quite it's a well developed country, or not well developed, but Africa developing country, but you can say now it's getting some problem because of its political instability. But after Nelson Mandela, in 1990 around, okay, in the after the in the beginning of the 2000 20th century, end of the 20th century, pardon me, he became the president, and then again so many things are going on, but it has its own significance because it is full of minerals and richness. Okay, so you can't just ignore it. Okay, means the largest land diamond mines and land mines. I mean, so many things are here. So many industrialization has developed. Okay, so many people used to come here. Okay, Cape Town, Pretoria, Johannesburg, very well known cities in the entire world. Okay, there's one more country. Okay, which is not you can't I can't display in this map, which is Madagascar. Okay, Madagascar. See, sorry, pardon me. Here it is, the Europe, and these are the, yeah, here it is, Madagascar. Okay, Madagascar is means, see, it is a small, not small, but uh, you can say, as compared to other island, it is average island, just like Australia is also an island, and so any other, New Zealand. So Madagascar is also an island, but it has some larger area. Okay, so it is called as a country, Madagascar, and it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. Okay, completely, and it is nearer to the African continent, so we say this is the part of the African continent. Okay, and the people resides here are quite different. Okay, and they have basic economics, or means work is their tourism. Okay, people used to come here every year for tourism, and means nowadays many film shooting is also going on. You may have heard the movie of so many movies are shooted or getting shooting here, Madagascar. So there the fishing and other agriculture, native peoples are dependent, and rest depends on the tourism. Fine. So, and there are some other minor islands which you can visualize on yourself. Okay, so I'm trying to give you the brief idea of our world, okay, or our earth, as per the first video. Okay, what is our home? This is our home. Okay, this is some part. Asia is another part, Europe is another part, America is another part. So but overall we are the part of the earth. So uh, it's hard to understand everything in at once, so we have divided everything in several ways. Okay, so we are understanding everything in several continents, several oceans, and several zones. Okay, the thing that after this, see, Africa is, I think, covered about the basic things. What is uh, name and what is this? You can understand their economics and government and so and so, which I can make the video if you like, or if you will comment in the future. But here you can see, I'm I want to show, or I want to discuss some more thing, that I am also displaying you the latitude and longitude. Okay, latitude and longitude, what is its significance? Its significance is it also separates or divides or helps us to determine or understand our earth. Okay, that as we can say that we are in the tropic of Cancer. Okay, 23.5 degree. We are in the equator at the 0 degree. Okay, these are means latitude, and the longitude gives us also variety means. Okay, see, every longitude gives us the time zone. Okay, basic things that we use is longitude in time zone. Okay, means how many separation from the zero means green mean time GMT. Okay, which is in the which passes through the London, and I will describe this in the other another classes. But as we move away from GMT, okay, green mean time, okay, Greenwich, okay, then our time gets added by 15 15 15. Okay, so every country has different time zone. Okay, this is called local time zone, and one is international time zone, which is IST. Okay, so it all has meaning just because of our latitude and longitude. Okay, which helps us to determine everything. So if you unable to understand everything with country wise, then scientists often do the use the location. Okay, even if you have minor information about coordinate system, okay, mathematics. Okay, in coordinate we used to determine everything by a point. Okay, point is nothing but the location of the horizontal and vertical axis. Okay, so longitude acts as the vertical axis, and latitude acts as the horizontal axis, and with their intersection point we get particular point. Okay, the same funda goes with our earth and our planet also. Okay, so scientists used to do the same thing. Just because of this we have used longitude and latitude. Okay, very basic things. Also the thing that I have left, which I wanna describe. Okay, see, this is the sun. I have and today I and the sun is giving light at the opposite. Okay, means America side, so it's day. It is showing night. Okay, such things you can visualize on your own self. Okay, and the layer of the white color is saying the atmosphere. Okay, we have the atmosphere, not very large, but thick atmosphere which helps us to sustain. Okay, just because of this we have the life. Okay, this is the major reason of the life in the earth. Okay, because Mars is quite similar to earth, but it doesn't have that atmosphere. Okay, Titan, the one of the means satellite of Saturn. Okay, Jupiter, Pandora, so many in the movies you might have seen in the Avatar and so and so. But what the beauty of Earth is that it has the atmosphere, and that atmosphere can visualize at here. Okay, that the place that we are living is called surrounding atmosphere is called stratosphere. Then thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Okay, you might have learned in your child's school. Okay, in child's class. Okay, not I am going to describe this, but the funda is that just because of atmosphere we are living. Okay, and atmosphere another is it's Earth's magnetic effect. Okay, magnetic effect also binds or keeps our atmosphere. Okay, all kinds of so many things, but magnetic effect and atmosphere is highly crucial for our existence for any life. Okay, so in future if we are going to find any alienated life or similar to Earth, which is the mission of NASA and many space agency, then the most significant thing is to find if there is any chance of having any kind of atmosphere, then only human can survive. Okay, what is the logic of finding any other means life? Okay, you can find, but if we want, then we need a good atmosphere, so it must be fine. But I think it is quite tough, because at the very first we are just taking a deep means a tip of